Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to export backlog or issues and tickets to Excel in Jira. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you need to navigate to your Jira project. Open up your Jira instance and head over to the specific project for which you want to export issues. To narrow your results down to specific issues, it's important to use the filters available. These filters allow you to customize which issues you want to include in your export. For those needing more complex filtering, Jira offers JQL, which stands for Jira Query Language. JQL is an incredibly powerful tool for more advanced users, allowing you to create customized queries that pull specific data points from your projects. Once you've applied the filters and are satisfied with the list of issues that are displayed, look for the Export option top right corner of your screen. Clicking this is your gateway to the Export function. From this drop-down menu, choose either Export Excel CSV All Fields or Export Excel CSV My Defaults. As you make your selection, the CSV file will begin downloading automatically. It's a simple process and won't take long. Once downloaded, find the file in your Downloads folder. From here, you're free to manipulate, analyze, or present your issue data as required. And that's it. So that is how you can export backlog or issues and tickets to Excel in Jira. So that's all for this video. Thanks.